Did you know that when you meet someone for the first time, you spend upwards of 85% of that time looking at their eyes? That's why it's so important to optimize the look, the appeal, the attractiveness of your eyes, because first impressions can be everything. Making a good first impression can make you look good, feel good, and it's just good all around. So, I'm going to share with you my 3 easiest and most simple ways to make your eyes more attractive. But wait, there's a bonus tip at the end that will actually be like an investment in the long run. It's going to take some time, but it'll be worth it. So, here's what you need to do, and you're going to do this in order. This has been my eye glow up routine for the past 7 or 8 years. First, you're going to apply a redness reliever to your eyes. The reason you do this is that you want to reduce the redness in the whites of your eyes sclera. You can use any redness reliever that has nifazoline in it. Nifazoline is this thing that constricts the blood vessels in your eyes, which then reduces the redness. But I recommend investing in something that also has providin and propylene glycerol in it. This not only reduces the redness, but also moisturizes your eyeballs. Unlike normal allergy eye drops that actually dry out your eyes, this actually moisturizes them and makes them kind of glow and sparkle and pop a little bit. The best of both worlds. The one I use is called Optic Glow by Roto. I will link it down below if you want to pick it up. It's a little more on the expensive side, but it definitely works. The first thing you're going to do is apply a couple of little drops to your eyes. It's a little uncomfortable, but after like 2 or 3 minutes, your eyes will look a lot more bright and sparkly. When the whites of your eyes are really white and not all red, which is a very unhealthy look, it looks like you're tired and not well rested. When they're nice and white in contrast, it makes the actual iris, the colored part of your eyes, pop a lot more. Whatever color eyes you have will show and be a lot more vibrant and attractive in general. Next, this is a tip that I've been sharing for so long, and I will never stop sharing it, even though I get hate for it. A lot of insecure guys who don't want to look gay or feminine won't try it. But the tip is to use an eyelash curler. Man, this is stereotypically a woman's beauty hack, but hear me out. You just put your eyelashes through this little compressor thing, and it curls your eyelashes upward. When they're curled upward, they're exposed against your skin because they are laying flat against your upper eyelids. They look longer and more sparkly, and last but not least, you want to define your eyebrows. This may sound intimidating, but it's actually quite simple. You can use an eyebrow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and shape your brows to frame your eyes. Defined eyebrows can make a huge difference in highlighting your eyes' natural beauty and creating a more polished look. And here's the bonus tip: I promised you take care of your eyes by getting enough rest and hydration, using SPF when you're out in the sun, and avoiding rubbing your eyes too much. These small steps may seem insignificant, but they will make a big difference in the long run. So, there you have it, my top tips for making your eyes more attractive and leaving a lasting impression.